Welcome back to this channel. We're going to be resolving another question. This is a math Olympiad question, and it says, which of the following is an odd number? Now, you see, in order to solve this question, you have to understand because it's going to be you will be having to solve these questions in real time very quickly. So you can't afford to begin to square 2001, then plus 3, then square 2003. It means you have to test all the answers. So what you have to understand is just the relationship between numbers. So such that, for example, you have when you square, if we had, for example, we had 2, which is an even number, plus 3, it's going to give us 5, which is an odd number. So what does that mean? It means that when we add even plus odd, we are going to get an odd number. An odd number. And if we add odd number, if we square an even number, yes, yes. If we square an even number, we are going to get even. So for example, 2 squared is 4, 6 squared is 36, we are going to get even. So it means that that, if we add to that even number, if we add plus an odd number, so just like we have here, we are going to get what? An odd number. Why? Because even plus odd is odd number. Alright. So how about if we squared odd number? We squared an odd number. If we squared an odd number, we're going to definitely get an odd number also. For example, 9 squared is 81. 9 squared. 11 squared, 121. So on and so forth. 13 squared is 169, and so on and so forth. So understanding that relationship, we can easily go on to testing this. So with this, we have, and also we've not talked about odd plus odd. Odd number, if I add an odd number plus an odd number, which is just odd number times 2, odd number times 2 is going to be even. So it's going to be even. All right. So in this place, this guy is odd. 2001 is odd. So if you square an odd, you get an odd. An odd plus an odd gives even. So this is not the answer. If we square 2002, it gives even. So even plus even is even. Alright. So this is not the answer also. Now if we square 2003, if we square 2003, that's going to be odd. And again, odd plus odd is also what? Even. Alright. So definitely this is going to be the answer. This is going to be the answer. Why? Because if we square even, we're going to get even. And even plus odd is odd. So the answer is 2004 squared plus 1. And that will be it for this video. In the next video, we're also going to talk about another easy Math Olympiad question that just needs you to use common sense, and you're going to be able to get it. See you in the next